So, hi, today we're going to review the 3-pod monopod. I love this tool. Alright, it comes with a carrying case. Really nice, this carrying case. It has pockets inside so I can put stuff in there, right? Like the tools and all that kind of stuff. So there's pockets in there. And this is perfect for, I use it for my workflow when I'm recording virtual reality photography. So because when you do virtual reality photography and you want to take a photo and you don't want to be in the picture, you put a timer, you set the camera here, and then you take a step and you go hide somewhere and it takes a picture. And it's very sturdy, okay? It's very, very, very sturdy. Carbon fiber. This is a foam, very sturdy, and this would bear the weight of this little camera that I use, but also of any normal DSLR camera. If you're gone and running and you're recording outdoors and you want to just have a tripod that is very, very versatile and light, that will just help you with supporting the camera so that you don't move it a lot. This is your guy. Okay, so monopod, it clicks here. Once it's there, it's not gonna fold back, right? And then you can extend it, right? Extend it here, and it has even this little rubber band so that when you're doing 3D recording, you can tighten this strap, right? And it won't be in the picture, right? Because it will be under the surface, this surface right here, right? If you make it tight, which is what I suggest. You don't want anything to be seen under the footprint of your 3D picture. Though this is also this monopod is good for any DSLR camera. It has the 1/4 here. So, and you can also change it. It's interchangeable to the smaller one. So, the 3-pod monopod. Check it out. This is what comes with it. You see? And then you put it in your carrying case, and in here it has these other tools that it comes with, and you are set. Happy